Intend to short a twist lock photo control receptacle while under maintain, easy to maintain. Twist lock ANSI C136.10, IP66 body protection, IP65, while installed with recognized receptacle. UV stabilized polycarbonate enclosure / UV stabilized polybutylene base. This product provides twist lock terminals, meeting the requirements of ANSI C136.10-2010 and the standard for plug-in, locking type photo controls for use with area lighting UL773. Can be used with a receptacle meeting ANSI C136.41-2013. This product is designed with electronic circuits with MCU incorporated. Its quicker response with time delay of 5 seconds offers easy-to-test feature while avoiding misoperation due to spotlight or lightning during nighttime. Especially, model JL-428C provides a wide voltage range for customer applications under almost power supplies. Slide bar offered for sensitivity customized JL-428. CM provides surge protection feature up to 235 joules per 5,000 kiloamperes. The photoelectric switch JL-428C is applicable to control the street lighting, passage lighting, and doorway lighting automatically in accordance with the ambient lighting level. Accessories: lock nut, M23PC applied, flat neoprene gasket 3PC applied. Certifications: UL listed to ensure quality and safety. Being UL listed qualifies this photocell sensor for a wide range of residential and commercial lighting applications. Time delay feature works with standard NEMA turn lock receptacles commonly found on dusk to dawn type barn or post lights. A built-in time delay feature avoids false triggers such as car headlights, lightning, or other temporary light source. Easy installation. The photocell sensor inside senses sunlight and automatically turns lights on at dusk and off at dawn. The turn lock design makes it easy to remove and install if replacement is needed. Specifications: the rated voltage of photocell light sensor is 120 volts AC, 50/60 Hz, 1.5 watts maximum power consumption, 96% relative humidity, -40 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius ambient temperature, 10 to 20 lux on and 30 to 60 liters off operate level. Occasions: suitable for putting outdoor lighting, exterior lighting, street lighting, parking lot, pedestrian pathway, and landscape lighting.